Today, Shangkai, a pioneering tour startup, joined forces with the Bharthiya Vikas Trust to introduce an exciting new venture, the inauguration of the first e-cycle circuit services in the picturesque Khliehshnong Village, nestled within the heart of Sohra'S. This dynamic collaboration, made possible through the support of the Sohra'S Foundation and PRIME-Sauramandala Rural Entrepreneurship Fellowship, promises to transform the tourist experience. These innovative e-cycle stations will be strategically positioned along the trail, ensuring that tourists can effortlessly rent and return their bicycles. The circuits are designed to encompass a wide array of attractions, including renowned gems like the Kalikai Falls and Khliehshnong Viewpoint, as well as some of Sohra'S hidden treasures waiting to be discovered by intrepid travelers.
So today is World Tourism Day. All of us know that, right? So it's good. It's good to be here. It's good to be here in Sohra'S area and to be, starting this wonderful project, which is, e-bikes and bike tourism around this beautiful place, Cherrapunji, which is the #1 tourist attraction that we have in the state. In fact, we just came from a hike of the David Scott Trail. So we were interacting with the entire community, people there, both in Mawphlang and Lad Mawphlang. The simple message, I don't want to keep it too long, is that Meghalaya, all of us know, I keep saying this, is that tourism is probably the #1 employment generator, growth generator. The thing that we have to remember is that we'll have to do this in a systematic way, because we have been building tourism up. Suddenly COVID came, we lost 2 years, and 22 we are kind of getting back. But now I think it's very important for us to kind of do whatever we are doing in a systematic way, in a way that is sustainable, in a way that promotes what we call high value tourism, tourists who stay here, tourists who spend money here, tourists who are there for the local experience. So what I was telling people there is that let us create good experiences, let people stay here, let us charge more money. So we'll have to, it just can't be about charging more money. If you're charging more money, we should create a good experience. So we should have very well trained guides. We should be able to take care of them nicely, as our Honorable CM keeps saying, a wonderful smile, being able to talk to people, engage with people. So training goes a long way. So we will do all these things. We'll support the communities as we do. And we have a wonderful model of communitarian tourism and tourism driven by both cooperatives and individual entrepreneurs. So we'll continue to invest on these models. We'll continue to, from the government side, do big infrastructure, support smaller projects, support community-oriented projects, so that our dream of having Meghalaya as one of the best tourist destinations in the country, but where, we give the best experience, but people also should be willing to pay for that experience. So talking about this, I remember now Karthik for the first time when he came, I think the plan was to do it in Kong Thong, right? So we had this discussion, and we said, yes, we will support in whatever way possible. But today, I think without much support from the government, you've been able to set this up. So congratulations to the entrepreneurs, congratulations to the whole team. We need more such things, again, to scale these slowly in different locations. We are there to support, but I think more importantly, more than government support, what is needed is this deep engagement with the community, which I think you've been able to do well. So congratulations and thanks to you.